In this video, I will review NetBIOS, BitLocker, and how to use them. NetBIOS is a service program that exists in Windows, and Microsoft has placed it to share facilities such as file and printers between computers. NetBIOS is one of the favorite ways for hackers to penetrate. Therefore, it's better to disable this option for computers that do not need sharing. BitLocker is a feature in Windows that you can use to encrypt the data on the drives. In the new BitLocker interface, in addition to encrypting hard disk volumes, the possibility of encrypting other portable storage devices, including the USB drive, has also been added. Select any drive you want to encrypt. To unlock the drive, you can use a password or a smart card or both. This section is for backing up the password. Make sure to save the recovery file somewhere other than the encrypted drive. The first option encrypts only the used parts of the hard drive, and the second option encrypts the entire hard drive. In this section, the first option is suggested for computer or laptop hard drives, and the second option is for drives that are portable, such as USB drives. After encryption, it's necessary to reset the system. By reloading the system, it will ask us for the password again. After resetting the system, it's seen that it asks us for a password to enter the drive. If you forget the password, you can use the recovery file. You can also use this section to change the password or turn off BitLocker and other things.